Hey guys, it's Valentine here. Today's video I'll be showing you 8 amazing and cute, fabulous, sexy outfits for Valentine's Day. Stick around. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 8 outfit ideas that you can pull out for Valentine's Day. So I ordered my stuff from Pretty Little Thing, Missguided, and Fashion Nova. So I live in Canada and I had to order my stuff express just because I really wanted to do this in time. So with Pretty Little Thing, the order delivery took about 3 days, and with Missguided it took about 5 days, only because there were some kind of delays and stuff like that. With Missguided I had to pay duty fees, so guys watch out. No fees for Pretty Little Thing. And with Fashion Nova I ordered a top some time ago. I can't remember if I don't think I paid duty. No, I don't pay duty fees. Yeah, usually shipping with Fashion Nova takes about 2 weeks. I never had to order express, but yeah. So the outfits that I'll be sharing are things that I would wear, guys. It's my style. I am more on the conservative side, I guess I can say. Because I am a little bit more on the conservative side, I had trouble finding like full, complete tops, like really cute tops that are not crop tops, if you know what I mean. But anyways, guys, there's so many crop tops out there. Like, what happened to just regular blouses and tops? That's conversation for another day, but let's get to it. And here is look number one. I really like this look, guys. So anyways, here's a top on the model. I love the shoulders. It looks so elegant. This is the back. As you can see, it's a bodysuit. This is how the model rocked it with a pair of pants. She looks super elegant, but I decided to go with these pants instead because it just felt like it will give me a more elegant look. So here I am. This is how I turned out. I think this look is beautiful. This look is great for somebody that works maybe in an office, and you don't have to work in an office, but this look overall, if you're somebody that works in an office, you can go to work looking like this and still be able to pull it off for a dinner. Just, fix your makeup nicely, put on a nice lipstick, and you're good to go. This look is powerful. Next, I have a dress on. This dress is super nice. So this is how it looks like on the model, and the back, that's how it looks like. I love this dress because of the length. The dress on, it feels super nice. Actually, if you're wondering, guys, I do have a corset on. Yes, I do have a little pouch that I'm hiding, but this dress is fire. This dress fits so right. I was playing around with it, and that's what I ended up doing with it around the neck. Guys, if you want more coverage with this dress, it's just like you can do so much with it, I'm sure. And that's how the back looks like. I love how it fit. I love the whole look. I just felt elegant. Look number 3. I said, let's try pants again. So I have a faux leather pants. This is a top. As you can see, it's a crop satin top. This is the back, and the model had it on with a pair of pants. I decided, let me just do something a little bit, more elegant, and I feel like this look is elegant. This look is sexy. The top, it's not that bright, it's just like a romantic color, and you can always tuck it in if you want to. And that's why, guys, if you realize, these pants are high-waisted. I don't know, I'm not so crazy about crop tops, so yeah, I had to get something to hide my skin on the side. But this look is just super cute. It's super cute. You can go wrong with it, especially with this weather. I live in Canada, so this is a great look for winter time. And you can always just put on your coat and you're good to go. Like, yeah. Number 4, a red dress. I had to try on a red dress. This is how it looks like on the model, and this is how it looks like on the back. So this dress in person, if you look at it, you might not like it, but once you put it on, it's fire. It is beautiful. It's elegant. It fits really nice, and I love it. I love it, and the length is great as well. Dress number 5. This is a dress where you just decided you don't want red, you don't want pink. This is how it looks like on the model, and the back, this is how it looks like. This dress is simple, so I decided, you know what, let me put on some red lipstick because it's simple but beautiful. You want to be able to do your face nicely, like your face also has to stand out, right? So I just feel like this dress is elegant, it's sexy, it's really hot, like can't go wrong with it. Number 6, I said, all right, let's go a little bit conservative still. So this is a a skirt that I have decided to put together with this top. So it's a bodysuit. I got it from Fashion Nova. And the top in person, it looks wonderful. So the model here paired it with a pair of pants, but I decided to have it with this skirt. I think this look is elegant. I mean, if you want to wear a pair of pants with it, you can always wear a pants. But overall with the dress, I thought that it still looked elegant. It looks great. And yeah, you can play around with it. Excuse myself because I had no time to press it. Anyways, dress number 7. This dress is so beautiful. That's how I look like on me. I know I don't look like, the model, but anyways, that's the back of it. This dress is super elegant. I said, let me try something black. The neck side is just nice. It's elegant. It's beautiful. I love the length. This is look number 8. This is a look that I'm going to do if I don't go out for dinner. I would normally not wear this dress outside just because it's not me. It's something that I would wear if I don't end up going out for Valentine's Day. So that's it. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to subscribe, guys. It would mean a lot. Leave a comment, leave a feedback. Let me know where you shop. Let me know if you like any of the outfits. Let me know which one was your favorite, guys. It would really mean a lot. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching again. Bye.